welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be playing with my Spoiled Cosmetics palette. If you guys have not seen my original review and demo on this palette, then I will link it up here, but up here somewhere, not below. I'll link it up here. I'll link it up here and I'll link it below. But basically, I just mentioned in that video that I did want to play with this palette a little bit more, and that's what I did today. I have used it one other time, and I posted a picture of me using it. I'll probably put it up here so you guys can see that look. But basically, I did like a purple with a little bit of a magenta eyeliner look. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I post a video. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up. But without further ado, let's get started. So I already have my eyebrows done, as you can tell, and I'm going to go ahead and prime my lids with this NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Custard. And I'm just going to take this brush that I always use to prime my lids. This is a Morphe M173. And again, I'm just going to go ahead and put this down. This is just to give me like a clear space to work with, because I have like a lot of veins. Let me put this up a little bit. I have like a lot of veins that kind of protrude through in my eyelids, so I like to always put concealer down and then set it. I'm just going to set that with a little bit of RCMA powder because my eyelids crease really quickly. Alright, so I'm taking a Morphe E13 brush, which is like a fluffy brush like this. And I'm just going to go ahead and pick up these two from the Jack palette, which are these two right here. And I'm just mixing them, and I'm going to put that all over my crease. I'm actually going to go ahead and put some tape down because I want like a sharp... I really want like a sharp outer V. So this is just good old Scotch tape. So I'm actually going to go ahead and start with black on my outer V, like right here. I really want to work my way in towards my inner corner, and usually I don't do that. So we'll see how that goes. So I'm just going to start out with like a little pencil brush and just pick up the black shade, which is Abyss from the Jaclyn Hill palette. But I'm going to do a brush kind of like this one right here, like a little pencil brush almost. And this is an E18. Tap off the excess, and I'm just going to go ahead and put down that black color right here and kind of connect it to my crease. So starting here and then connecting here. And this will take a while, so I'll probably fast forward this part because I'm just gonna go really, really slow and just build the color. Okay. So it's kind of blending up pretty nicely for it being a black. I haven't really gone in too much with this eyeshadow before, so. And same thing on the other eye. I'm trying to figure out which glitter I want to use. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do purple. This one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up, what is this? Jax. And probably a little bit of Roxanne. And then even probably, what is that? Buns, which are like these colors right here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pick up an E17 brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and use a little bit of Buns first. And I'm just going to start putting this, kind of connecting it to the black and into my crease. So right over that color, I'm going to add some of Jax in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a fluffy brush. This is a M505, and I'm just honestly picking up whatever is here, and I'm just going to go ahead and try to blend this out a little bit on the outer crease. Sometimes you'll notice that I raise my eyebrows, and that's just that I can really get into my crease right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get more black on my brush, and then I'm just gonna start packing on that black over again and kind of just basically going over what I originally did and just making it more intense. And it kind of looks harsh where the black and like the burgundy is at, but I'll kind of take a brush and blend it out in a little bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my original brush, and I'm grabbing those two colors, what is this, creamsicle and butter, and I'm just gonna go actually all the way up here and then just kind of blend this out. These are the first two colors that I used for my crease, and I'm pretty much like almost touching my eyebrow because I'm coming all the way up here to blend this out. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. This is the M170-2 brush. I'm just taking my Max Light Boost. Let's see how this goes. I haven't used this brush to cut my crease, I don't think, so wish me luck. Alright, so I have concealer on both eyes now. Side note, this brush is actually really good. So this was the M170-2, like this. Can y'all see that or no? Focus. And this is what the tip looks like. I actually really liked it. It was really easy to cut my crease with this brush. So I think it might be my new favorite brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Spoiled Cosmetics palette, and again I'm gonna go ahead and use this purple right here, which is super intense. It almost looks blue, but what I'm gonna do first, actually, I think I'm gonna go ahead and use like a cream base on it first. That way it really pops out and it sticks. Let's try that. And I'm gonna just honestly put it like right here in the center. I don't want to put it like all the way up high because I don't want to get too close to my crease. I'm gonna go ahead and actually apply House of Lashes eyelash glue, because this thing, if you guys have seen my videos, this glue is like intense for my eyelashes, so I figured if we use it for our glitter, it'll probably really stick. The thing about this is that it has this wand, so then I can really get really precisely like here where the cut of my creases, and like really get in there. But let's start with that, as you guys can see, and I'm just gonna use this brush to distribute it out. That way it doesn't just clump up where I put it originally. Okay, so I kind of have the glitter distributed, and I'm gonna go ahead and get some of this glitter. Ooh, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Can you see that? Can you see it? So because I use this brush to smear out that glue on my eyelid, it's like picking up the glitter so much better than last time. This is like so easy to pick up, oh my goodness. This is my new favorite brush. If you guys ever get glitter in your eye, I heard it hurts like a biatch, and it can even cut like the inside of your eye. So try not to get glitter in your eye. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit more, and I'm really gonna, the downfall is that it's obviously gonna get my wand really dirty, but I'll try to clean it off afterwards. I'm gonna go in like to where my cut is, and then I'm gonna just right here a little bit, if you guys can tell, and over here también. And I'm actually gonna add a different color glitter. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this Sonia Kashuk brush, and this is the number 107, although I think that these are being discontinued because I heard that she's revamping her line. I think I'm gonna use like this magenta color actually. What do y'all think? Let's see how it looks. Let's go with the magenta. So I'm just picking some up with this brush. Picked up a lot now. It's like picking it up like in chunks. Ugh. See. So I tried to bring it out as far as over here, but it seemed like the glue already dried up, so I'm probably just gonna add a little bit more. But I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I have that in my crease. I kind of lined it out right there. It looks super pretty, so I just want to go ahead and go in a little bit with the Jaclyn Hill palette and touch up my crease with that Jax and what was the other color? Buns. And kind of just go like right on top over here and kind of define it a little bit. And like, don't be intimidated by like crazy looks like this. I love playing with color. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off now. And oh, check out my eye while I'm at it. Ooh, that is sharp. And that's how you cut somebody. No, I'm just playing. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with eyeliner. I'm a little scared. I'm scared for this part. Wish me luck. I'm scared. I'm so scared. So basically I'm gonna try to do it like all the way up here and then up here. And I'll probably just like stop it where the pink meets. Ooh, just like that. I'm gonna pick up some more and just keep filling it in. And that's it. This is definitely like not an everyday look, but it is a bomb ass look. So I'm about to do this to the other side. Again, wish me luck and I'll be back. Alright guys, so all I have left is eyelashes, which will make a really big difference. If you are doing an intense eye look, you definitely want to wear some lashes because it'll definitely complete the look. So I'm going to go ahead and add lashes, obviously do mascara, finish my face makeup. I'm going to try to hurry up because the sun is setting, so if you notice a lighting difference, I do apologize. But yeah, I will finish all that and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Like I said, once you add eyelashes, it completely completes the look. I'm not even lying. Completely completes the look. Does that make sense? But these lashes are flitter lashes, intoxicating, in case you guys are wondering, and the lip is Lolita by Kat Von D. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please make sure to subscribe. If you guys want any other videos of me using this palette, let me know. I really enjoy this palette. I feel like today, now that I used it again, I really like it even more. I really like that brush that I used to pick up the glitter. I feel like it definitely went hand in hand with the glitter glue, or with the eyelash glue actually. But yeah, anyways, if you guys want another tutorial with that, let me know. Or if you guys want more pranks, if you guys want me to do more vlogs, let me know. I'm open to anything, but I have been trying to upload more consistently in case you haven't noticed. But yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.